Good morning, Christy here from Crimbo's Chronicles. Jimbo is getting this beast ready to pull out. We're leaving Carlsbad, New Mexico, and headed to Terlingua, Texas. I'm probably saying it wrong, Terlingua. There's probably an elegant way to say it, but it was supposed to be like a 5-hour drive. But because I have some obscure thing I want to see in the middle of the desert, in the middle of nowhere, it's going to be a 6-hour drive. So, long day. So, we got to get on the road. It's not even 7 a.m. That sun is shining brightly. So, yeah, 5 to 6 hour drive, and we'll be there. Made it to the PRADA store in the middle of nowhere, and apparently everyone else knows about it too. Of course, there are locks around there.
In that blue basket?
So he's gonna camp out here, take a ton of pictures. There's locks all over. So only the graffiti I see so far is right there. The back of the building looks good. And if these people would leave, I could take a couple pictures. And yeah, middle of nowhere. Like 30 miles either way to the next town. So inside the store, they've got a ton of right shoes, real Prada purses.
They stay right next to them here.
All right, so that was PRADA Marfa. And it's in between Marfa and Valentine, Texas, in the middle of nowhere. And of course, everyone knows about it, but it's super cool. I think it's got 18 pairs of right shoes for the right foot. And like 6 real Prada purses.
They should just put the left shoes out of the ones that were stolen.
Right? Yeah. At one time, this place got vandalized and someone stole all the stuff inside. They're real Prada purses and shoes, but only the right. Come on. And really, do you have to graffiti something out in the middle of nowhere that's so cool just to be there? Okay, so now we still got to make it to Terlingua. There, how's that lighting better? And so we're making it to Terlingua in a couple of hours. Jimbo drove an hour out of the way for this, and I appreciate it. Thanks, babe. Okay, while I'm here, now the wind's gonna start blowing, of course. There's a storm. That's not a dry storm. Cool rainbow. We're at the Roadrunner RV park. There's only 3 of us here. One of them being the camp host. And other than that, there's about 30 spots here, all empty. Right outside the Big Bend National Park. Look at this view. It's gorgeous. Sorry about the wind. Go back in. Finally, we've spotted one. Very close. Oh! If I move over, it's going to be straight up screen. That's so cool. That's the longest we've had one in our view. They never sit still long when we're driving down the road. All right, we were on the road for a long time today. It turned out to be like 7 hours. We wound up driving through Big Bend National Park, which we're going to visit tomorrow. But tomorrow we're going to take you somewhere special through Big Bend, right? All right, so we're going to close it out tonight, but I'll pick you back up in the morning. Oh, Tay, say goodnight, babe.